Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, October 30th, the final class of October here at KIT Iizuka. This is fifth period, English 7C. Let's take a look at what we're going to be doing here in this week and for the next few weeks or so, too. Actually, I'm going to switch this over to my to my iPad, and where I need Firefox. Okay. Now, last week, I know that some of you might have had difficulty with the Moodle from Friday afternoon until I think it was Sunday morning. The Moodle was completely down for most of the university. So I extended that deadline I extended that deadline over to Sunday. So if you haven't yet submitted this, please feel free to submit it. I know that that was kind of a weird weekend, so don't worry, I'll keep that into account. But the Moodle seems to be working okay now, so please make sure that, sorry, I've got to log in here. Oh, sorry about this. Okay, fifth period is over here. So just please make sure that you keep up with these assignments as we'll be going over them right now. Now, let's take a look at what we're going to be doing this week. You have your reading quiz, which is based on page 45 of your textbook. It's like your other readings that you have to do. Read through it. There'll be some questions that you have to answer to make sure that you understand it completely. You can take the quiz up to 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score. As you do every week, I want you to remember about your reflection. In this case, this video is about the growth mindset. There it is. Okay, it's about the growth mindset. The idea that you're not just one person forever the same. You're always going to be able to grow, and it's a very important idea, I think, for most people who sometimes don't see the point of not just education, but about in their personal lives, always trying to become a better person. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of shadow talking, and I'm going to try to show you again how to work on your reading speed. The shadow talking material will be using this article right here called Animal Rights. This is a conversation between me and my friend Kana, a very nice person. She lives in America now, but she grew up in Fukuoka, and she speaks perfectly fluent English. We're going to be talking about that a little bit later and learning how to read this quickly using shadow talking. Also, last week, we were practicing being able to speak very quickly with phrases like, here, let me just go over here quickly. Phrases like I am, are you, and we did that with the past tense as well, and then moved on to other verbs like go and have, and trying to make them longer. I have an English class. Do you have an English class? And we started to look at being able to link the sounds of the words. So instead of saying, I have an English class, it's I have an English. I have an English class. Those are the sorts of things, or for example, in this case, I like English. I like English conversation. Those are the sort of things that will make you a lot more of a fluent speaker in English conversation. And that's what I want to continue practicing with you guys too. And one of the reasons for this is because today we're doing class number 5. Next week is class number 6. But, okay, after class number 6 on November 13th, we've got a Moodle test already. That's basically like your reading quizzes, listening quizzes, vocabulary quizzes. If you're familiar with that, which you should be by now, basically that's what the Moodle test is about. It'll only take 45 minutes, so it's only the last half of the class. But people in the class, so we'll be doing it all in one group. So I want to make sure that you're ready to take that conversation test by practicing a lot more fluent speaking, a lot more faster speaking in class 5, class 6, and class 7 as well too. And by then you should be ready to do this conversation test. If you have any questions about any of this or anything else that you want to ask me, please make sure that you ask me either before or after class. And you always have my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.